这个我的公司室，这边我工作那个石头、木头、火树和钢，一点点的磨洗。对，我喜欢工作外面，我喜欢那个太阳风，比较舒服。Yeah, I make all by myself. The compressor, the light, and the electric, and all by myself. Yeah. It's difficult to find one place we can work and noisy and dirty, and the house is no convenience because network and people is maybe don't like this kind of job. So I prefer outside. So it's difficult to find one place, but I buy the container empty from Taichung.
I remember at that time we received the possibility to go to Taiwan for a project. And first time he say, no, I don't want to go. Taiwan, where is Taiwan? And when I see the map, say, oh, it's so far away from my home. Say, I don't want to do it. It's a good opportunity, we must do. He was artist invited to Taiwan to create a work, and I was invited as curator. So for me, it's very, very important. So I pushed him to, please, we need to do it. And we come to Taiwan.
It's beautiful memory time for me because when I see Taiwan for the first time, it's the same feeling, same emotion. Wow, touch my heart. I say, wow, this country is amazing. The nature is beautiful. The people is friendly, and the culture is too very, very different to my culture. So it's interesting to discover. You know, you have the happy inside, right? Hola, soy Salvador Marco, soy artista, vivo en Taiwán 13 años y esta es mi familia. This is old work, maybe more 10 years. When I arrived to Taiwan, I create a big one in a studio, and later make exhibition in Taipei, in the MOCA, Taipei, and finally come back to studio and stayed with me around 10 years. And last year is sell out, okay? So this is one piece I buy from Fujian. It's a Huakanyan. 它是太大 is easy to broken, but Huakanyan is good. And now I want to start new work. I'm thinking to start new tea table. I don't know why. When I arrive like a winter, I like to maybe more drink tea, staying home. So my feeling is start to new tea table. Every year, one or two.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Marco usually go to school 7:30 to take Nico, and me is 8 to Pablo. And both of them finish school at 12. In the morning, I also like to take a walk and bring Pablo to school by walk, because it's a good start for the day. Make some sport.
After Pablo to school, what will you do?
I usually go to the market to buy some vegetables, but sometimes because Pablo wake up very early, and sometimes we go first to the market and after to the school. Before we went to the market every day. So Pablo meet Ama Akong. They are very lovely with Pablo. Always a gift, small toy or small something. So Pablo call Ama Akong.
My feeling, normally I create a pauta table 1 or 2 every year, but some years I don't create. Depends on inspiration, the feeling. It's like an art work. It's a shopping. It's like a sculpture. So when my feeling is good, I start. Now winter is coming, so think create new one. It's good time. Yes. I want to cut. So now the first step is take the stone part, separate from the original block, and later this is moved to workplace and start to thinking again. The process to thinking is longer. Sometimes also when my feeling not good, I stop the work and make another. So people say, how many time you need for this make one work? Put it in, because depend of many. If he need to wait, I wait. You know. So for one people is impossible. Stone. The relation with you is beautiful because it's too heavy, too strong, but it's like a dance. People think it's strong. No. It's like a dance. So every movement, when you have technique, is easy. Also sound, he tell me. Finish. Broke. Yeah.
Today I want to buy a half chicken and also some vegetables for prepare Spanish soup. Every day I buy vegetables and some fruits. And sometimes I buy chicken also. Hi, 阿妈阿公，阿妈阿公你好，你好。对，阿妈，对，没有出来，学校8点学校。
生意呢，按说阿妈是酸，人家梅当年都有进口一些梅子，然后爱吃酸，有7个桶子，每个都扭开来，我们就是这样认识的。那每个都扭，打开来，好吃，酸好吃，对。然后每天呢就是打开。今天想煮什么呀？今天想煮什么？
我要买猪肉。
你要买猪肉，好，瘦肉。
对，一点点。
我弄一点，
切一点点。
OK，
切一点点这个。啊，他们对人家懂后啦，很和气，而且他们小朋友超可爱的小妈豆，哈哈。哎，我好喜欢他们呐，所以他们也会跟我们融入在一起啊。 它就融入我们客家人的生活的啦。像朋友，唔好拿纸笔啊，用按那底啊，哎呀，如果用笔的呀，慢慢的他们夹跟人孙牙孙儿，慢慢谈个事，但是讲还能有得问题，啊，夹先生都他会讲啦。
安琪生，
来了。
安琪生，
安琪生就是我们客家话的谢谢你。
哦，对，安琪生。你好，早安。今天我要买葡萄。OK， 对，我要买。
我把这59一斤。
木瓜。对。
他都买像，就是他买都是在葡萄啦，然后像木瓜、火龙果这一类，那是他小朋友喜欢吃这个。
对，
他小孩喜欢吃这个用烤苹果。对。
I especially like the Taiwan local fruit. I don't like to buy the fruit import. I usually buy the more fresh fruit. 早安。好。你好。我要买鸡肉。
哪个？一只还一半？
一半。
一半。软的。
软的。
好。
软的。OK， 屁股不要。然后呢 ？Usually I buy to the same stores. Yes, because the owners know me, and I know it's a good quality. But sometimes I also like to explore.
小朋友没有来啊？
没有，小朋友读书。
哦，这么快哦？
对。
他不会想来。
对，小朋友很喜欢来。
哦。
拜拜。
好，谢谢，拜拜。
谢谢安琪生。
In the beginning, this place is only for I storage my work, but 3 years before, I created this gallery. When I want to finish my work, I come in this place, and people know I'm coming to see my gallery. In this gallery, my work is stainless steel, 不锈钢, photography, and stone, 石头,木头. And also I can mix with photography, with stainless steel and stone. All my work speak about nature, also the power of life, power of nature. When I come to Taiwan, I have 30岁, already finished my university and my PhD, so come to Taiwan. When come to Taiwan, now we live around the 13 年, is of course the inspiration change and my style change. And I think my work style is the mix, the Western and Eastern style. So, but this is normal. Yeah, I think it's, yes, of course. For me, the material, no, it's only the material to create the one shape. No, for me, material have one kind of life, have spirit. So when I select a material, for example, from Spain or Italy or Japan or Taiwan, when I select the material is the start to create the work. In this moment, when you select, the work is starting. I don't know, 我不知道. Only I like, touch and take. And slowly I go to higher school, and after I want to study sculpture in a fine art university. But Spain and Taiwan is different. For example, Taiwan people only learn about sculpture and雕刻, only this one. But in Spain and Europe is a student can touch many. Don't focus only one way. I focus in one way, it's stone. So I am a sculptor. 我是雕刻家 but also I learn a lot of different technique like iron, like a pushukan, like a stone, wood, also like photography. Of course need to learn a lot. So I maybe 10年以前我 start to learning more photography, many, and to complement the sculpture. Yeah. Normally this place people don't come. It's only a private, very private place. But today I want to show you my room, working room. This is for create, especially for create my photography. Okay, I want to speak about my equipment. And many years, more 10 or 13 years, I work with a full frame camera. It's good, but if you want to go to more high step, is the last step, is the most high quality possible, especially detail and the color and contrast, and you need change to the medium format. It's different. Medium format is different sensor, different camera. Phase 1 camera. It's actually maybe it's the best sensor possible in the world to create. Also Google Earth, Google Maps, satellite use this sensor. The art photography is amazing. You can control very well especially the quality of color. And like I said, I can make big works. Okay, and it's simple. It's camera, lens, and also sensor. My style and this camera no is for create quickly picture. No, and also it's very important use the very high and tripod. Here, many people think is okay. Is light is better if I go to the mountain? No, light no is better. 比较重，比较好。But my work is very big print, so I need sure I use the most good possible tripod. So normally when I carry my equipment is around 20 kilo with me, and 10 kilometer or 25 kilometer work is normal. Okay, so normally I have in this moment I am preparing the photography exhibition, and the detail is very high detail. You see? Yeah, I can print a very big this one. Yes, this one because it's very important to check the quality. When you print a small one works, it's okay on maybe Facebook or you see in the internet, it's no problem. But when you go to print big photography, it's like a 2 meter. It's very important. You need to check every detail because the quality, if some movement of the camera, or maybe, for example, like this is the wind. The wind he moved, so there's no need. But it's beautiful also. No? So my work is very slow work. Yeah. I want to use, for me it's very important to use the technology. Technology is one tool, very important. So in this time you can try to create the model with previously with a computer, and the first step to arrive to this sculpture, sometimes I make first with computer, of course drawing and the small motion, and later computer and mix and create my idea, and later if it's okay I can change more and go to a studio to make the modification and final the works.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Hi.
Now is lunch time. For us it's important the whole family stay together in the table to eat lunch. This is one reason I take them from the school at 12 because for Spanish people it's important to stay the family together in the same table and share the food.
People busy every day, but it's the lunchtime, dinner time is to stop and the family. After, okay, work again, like Taiwanese. Yeah.
Nico loves the pai fan, so most of the days we cook the pai fan and just cook meat or fish and vegetables. It's more simple food. Because I want to give Nico the opportunity to also learn Spanish. So many years ago, I started to teach him to read Spanish and also write and make some Spanish class. So this is why I say, Nico, you can make half in Chinese and go home, eat, and after lunch we can make some Spanish class.
It's very important because, okay, Luis and me love staying in Taiwan. I hope it's forever. But how about my kids? Maybe in the future he want to live in Spain or in another place. So I think it's important to teach his culture also, because it's mixed Taiwanese and mixed Spanish. But speak Spanish and read Spanish is give opportunity to in the future he can choose also. Yeah.
When we stay in Taiwan, only the first year, the second year I was pregnant with Nico. And I remember at that time I was very scared about have a baby here in Taiwan, all in Chinese culture, and so far from my family. So we decided to go back to Spain for have a Nicolas. So the second kid, Pablo, come 8 years after.
He born in Taichung.
Yes.
It's I think it's the destiny. Yeah, when I see my first time see Luisa, it's like my style is, my personality is everything move with emotion.
Yes, we discover we cannot stay separate. Also, when we went to the high school or university, we need to see each other every day.
The beautiful also is they grew up together, because in the beginning is my friend, after my girlfriend, but also grow up together. I go to the art high school, and she later go to university art history, and I go to university fine art. So grow up together, every time together. Yeah.
Second is he really loves to stay in Taiwan, so he asked me, we need to find another project, another opportunity to come again. So we try to find more projects and more opportunities.
我们现在要去客家餐厅，我们要做那个客家的东西。嗨 ，Hello， 你好。你好。
多吉
Hello， 你好。
哎呀，怎么那么巧呢？
对。
来，我们来一起染布。等一下我们就染一个
好
大的手帕。
最后那个颜色这样子看到，哇，很漂亮，对不对？
哦，对。
Pues no podemos controlar ahí lo que hay, ¿verdad? Es una sorpresa.
Luisa, this is the first time.
Yeah, first time.
老师有教过怎么样？没有做过，但是有教过。
不可以这样卷，啊，只能这样收过来哈，收过来，收进去，我就这样抓着，然后再这样绑。
好，
改动练习，再一次。 来给那个妈咪帮忙一下。给他帮忙看怎么绑。我们家后面就会艺术村，艺术村就有做飞啦哈，做雕刻的哈，然后艺术家做石头的，哈，全部都同个博物馆的下边嘅艺术村。啊，嘟嘟跟阿西郎嘅那个阿丹，比如喺度嘅蛋糕，啊，一个上铺一个下铺，啊，下铺看有都要下边，所以呢，全部都算连杀。就是平常都有做乜嘅，就来牙料，还有去牙料安尼。
OK， 这是第一次。
Okay, you can try and then just over.
给底啦，给什么呢？什么讲那个蓝染很特别，他就去讲哎有本人做蓝染。
如果掉在那个蓝蓝里面，
没关系，我那边有一个篮子。
不是，如果我掉在蓝蓝里面，就会变小精灵。
小精灵，
小蓝精灵，
你太大只了，掉不进去。
小蓝精灵。好，
炒蛋，压吸水。啊，这样，对，这样吸水。对，哎，你要给它这样吸哈，这样吸，对，捏一捏。
我很喜欢。
很喜欢，就是他来我们这边有做蓝染，他来学 ，OK 吗？
可以啊，可以啊。
这是我们客家人的以前很久以前的染布。
So how do you feel?
Nice.
So you have not tried before, right?
Yeah, I'm very surprised because I live in Taiwan very long time, and always is a surprise. Just always discover a new one, new food, new thing.
Thing like this in Spain?
Yeah,
Because it's really
I think no,
butterfly.
I don't know anything similar.
But actually this one is like the more like Eastern Asia side.
Yes, I think.
So you can just open it and then see how it is. Then you can try it over here. So.
Lo ponemos aquí, colgado, ¿no? Ponlo.
不错啊，很漂亮啊。
我的比较那个，因为这个就像一个东西掉在这边，然后这样子像那个圈一样。
对，一个圈，妈咪的这个。
像海边。
对，像这个就是现绑的，啊，没有绑到的它就是蓝色。这个我们弄了以后可以绑头巾。
哦，好。
那这个也可以这样，对，这个绑起来。对。
Very special place in the mountain inside the Miaoli area. I go many times. It's a very beautiful place and peaceful and very contact with nature. Amazing. In the Taiwan mountain. I have lucky live in this area. Many people ask why you live in Sanyi. Okay, a lot of people think it's because it's an area for Mutiao. Yeah, of course it's good. Have good atmosphere, like a place to artists. But the most special reason for me is very near to nature. This is amazing. If you compare with Spain, maybe I need to drive maybe 5 or 6 hours to arrive one place like this. So Miaoli, it's a town, it's smaller. I am very 很舒服。对，我是山野人，我是苗栗人，
所以不用 Google Map 了。
不用 Google Map， 没有用，我知道。
哇。
In my area is Mediterranean area, so the mountain is very flat, and the most is cande, dry.
Yes.
It's very different. Yeah. I remember the first time I see the one flower in Taiwan. Oh my God, this is one flower. So the flower, right? And later you say that the butterfly is bigger, so in Spain is more flower and more butterfly. It's like a paradise. Taiwan is really is a paradise. This is one of the reasons I love live here. I can concentrate my work and take the inspiration from the nature. My style is explore many times and walk many kilometers. Only walk, explore, and maybe 10 times. One time I find good place. Because today is good opportunity after typhoon. The water is more higher. So today I want to try to create one picture about the water poo-poo. But it's too stronger. But okay, it's good opportunity to stay and maybe take some shot. Every time when I create photography, it's the more 19% is explore and 10% it's take picture. Also, stay in the place many times to understand the feeling of the place, of the nature. I don't like city, only like city for go to the shopping and restaurant, right? My photography, it's every time is find the beauty of the nature. For example, this time, some people coming and put a garbage. For me, it's very sad. I am very sad. So my feeling not so good. After finish, I want to clean by myself, and this take to my home, because I think this is like a paradise. Please need respect. Miaoli and the mountain is beautiful, amazing. So if every people come here, make barbecue or take all the garbage, it's terrible. So need keep the nature, please. It's a beautiful. Okay.
This is the most traditional.
Yeah. Sometimes together, sometimes he prepares some dishes, I prepare another dishes, and keep the kids. Yeah, I like cook because also I can relax. After one day working hard, for me, cook is like relax and enjoy the food with family. Yeah. 肚子饿。
¿Quieres carne?
Sí. Yo.
喜欢西班牙食物跟台湾的食物。
或者请客气。
Okay. The Taiwanese Hocha is Jimmy, my friend. But he go to the market in the morning. Listen the people in the market, in the street. He listen very fast. Yeah. 13 años después. Si lo quieres ver, lo pones en YouTube. Si buscas Salvador Marco escultor.
No me gusta.
¿La tortilla no te gusta? ¿No te gusta? Pues igual. Igual.
Igual.
旁边的太鲁阁国家公园，这是他第一天看到的景色。他原本看到的浪是谁？海。后来看到的是谁？绿色的稻田，对不对？所以把它画起来。第一个是他说绿油油的初夏，对不对？把夏圈起来，所以他觉得夏天很棒。我主要是教国语跟数学，对。然后这2科是比较多会由我来带。那最主要的部分是，我觉得 Nico 他的国语的生字其实可以写得很漂亮，但是他的理解能力稍微的没有这么好，因为他有些字他可能没有看懂，然后讲出来或是理解到的跟我们所理解的不太一样。好，先看 第一段它出现了什么地点？我要找一个人来问。Nico， 请你回答我第一段在讲什么重点？
第一段在讲
这里
苏花公路，
这个是苏花公路，跟我念一次。
苏花公路。
好，那第二个到第二段的时候呢，他经过哪里了呢？冠文，因为他在家没有办法有人教他中文的部分，所以中文的部分就很靠他在学校里面跟同学相处，或在课本上面学习到的东西。那我那时候跟妈妈说的是，他可以透过就是先把基础的打好之后，可以透过多阅读的方式累积他自己的能力。
是形式花陡峭蕾丝断来跃动燕子。
我觉得最不一样的是家长的教育方式，外国家长可能稍微的比较开放一点点，给他们比较多的自由跟弹性。那我觉得在台湾的教育，有一些少部分的人是比较就是自视化的，他们可能会希望学生可以有好的成绩，但是跟外国学生相比的话，台湾学生可能稍微的会比较没有这么开放，他们会觉得我应该老师说一我就做一，但 Nico 比较不一样，是他比较愿意去尝试，我觉得这是件蛮好的事情。他的主动跟积极是主要在于他很愿意去尝试新的东西，在日常生活当中比较不一样的是，他有时候对于现在该做的事情，他会需要提醒，不过他提醒完之后是可以达到很好的一个效果的。
没有他的轮胎耶！我们去玩了，我们去玩。詹志凯是我最好的朋友。他可以一直玩，然后一直跑步。
就是这边的小孩不太会以就是长相判断他这个人是好或是不好，所以在我们班上其实不会把他当作是一个外国人，而是把他当作是跟大家一样的同学而已。对，那我们的相处过程其实也都蛮正常的，大家不会因为他是外国人或他有比较特殊的长相，就对他有其他的偏见啊，或是其他的想法这样子。我觉得其实还好。但他自己，我觉得他还是有一个比较偏向西班牙人的一个认知，他会觉得我是西班牙人，所以我要把西班牙文学好。那中文对他来说其实只是辅助的工具，对他来说可能稍微的没有那么重要。在一般的学习过程，虽然是用中文，他沟通上面也没有问题，但是在理解部分还是需要加强一点。对，总结一下，我们翻到42页。前面的最一开始呢，我们知道他很期待他可以来到这个地方。
Now we start the process for package every work, but I want to start first with the big one. Yeah, so. With my assistant, I can package slowly. Yeah. My last exhibition, I combine the sculpture and the photography together. I think it's the same thinking. It's same poetic. Mix the stone, wood, and the stainless, and the landscape big format photography.
Of course, Marco is an artist. His job is create the work, but my work is also very hard. People don't understand. My real job is the art manager. My work is help to communicate with customer, to sell the works, to make the receipt, to find the space for a good exhibition, or also write a text. Because art is important, but when they know the history, the meaning, the process, they better understand and master appreciation of the art. Of course, the beginning was not easy. I think because art is very challenging job. So you must to be so strong, and I consider Marco very strong people. We are like a yin and yang. He is very strong, and I always say, keep calm, keep calm. like for a project. He has idea, and I say, okay. I contact with the gallery. Step by step.
Luisa come from the art university, and he understand more about business. Yeah, it's normal. Some people like he know maybe you arrive now in Taiwan. Of course, a lot of people is friendly and good, but some people maybe say, okay, I want to buy more cheaper about this artist. No, I take more. But I say, okay, for me no problem, because for me money not so many important. But Luisa say, no, you don't sell this in this situation. The price is too down, and then he protect every time my signature. Yeah. Now it's Jimmy Chan. You remember? I tell you, this is very special people for me. This is like my father. Okay,
我们认识10几年的。
你怎么认识他？
我是他在台湾刚来的时候展示，他的东西在展示啊，我去展示场看到，哎，这个就是我喜欢的。3000块，对
only this 9000块。Oh my God! No saying.
我是在台北的艺术展的时候碰到他，我发现他的作品很好，但是在台湾很少人知道。我突然开车子开到三义的时候，就想到，然后就找他的名片，就弯过去，人就是这样子，就有缘碰过去。那个时候他跟我讲，他在那边找不到客户，他准备要回家了，要回西班牙了。那碰到我，那我就买了他一些东西，然后就介绍我一些收藏家的朋友，每一个人都很喜欢的，就这样就开始了。最主要是这一个，我知道他花很多时间去弄这个，因为那个东西是他一开始第一个得过奖，在西班牙，他的作品很多，我看上的就是只看上那一个，那我就跟他买，他那个时候没有卖。他生活不下去了。
And this one have a very special meaning for us because he making Spain was one of the first masterpiece, and because was very long time to finish, and he created in Spain. We take to Taiwan and we sell very fast. To one customer.
Jimmy.
From that time, we noticed that people, Jimmy, and make very good relation with Jimmy. But after 10 years, we know each other. He are very satisfied with his life. I think it's like a Buddhist concept. Nothing belongs to me. And so he decided put again the piece in my home. He said, it's your work, I respect you. I have a very good relation, but the piece don't belong to me. And it's very special because it's like a lucky sculptor. We think is maybe for another people. So this is why we don't think art is about money, it's about sensibility.
我觉得这个东西是他们的一开始，对他们夫妇来讲很重要。我觉得，这个如果放在他的 studio 里面，这样子就更有意思。我说，你这个拿回去，那我跟你换别的还是怎么样都没有关系，因为他一看到那个东西又归回来，他就很高兴。
Hello. Hi. We follow you. We follow.
Hello.
Hi, Jimmy. Hi. Yeah.
你看水沟，
要给我。
骗我。
要谢谢。
你会讲文旦怎么？
我从不给你打发的。
你会讲？
这做一下，文旦。
你跟你的，
Yes,
跟你的
Spanish.
不是 tomato，
不是 tomato。My first special people in Taiwan. So sometimes I think it's
we are family.
Yeah, it's like a God sent.
我们也把它当做家人，就这样，就是大家都是一家人这样子看待。来，坐好，这样子，来哦。
我都講呢啲技術衝嚟就會拉嘅窮喎。來到台灣，讀佢是嗎？冇認識其他人。我們用台灣人體質最深入交往的除了詹先生嘛。那個時候好像 Marco 來的時候都還沒好像還沒有談過婚嫁，後來來台灣就後來結婚，後來就共生。係啊，你蠻有安排，因為後來又有天一集生，所以迄都無簡單。對台灣，你蠻最歡喜的事情就是你蠻看到東的過程都。都喜歡去台灣，從來都倆寶島倆地方。
你喜歡吃這個
？3 days. Working in the video.
Oh, really? 3 days?
All day. My best reason also with the nature is the people. It's very warm and 很好人。Yeah, but for me it's different in the other place in the world. It's people very warm and people friendly and yes, so I'm very, very happy in Taiwan. Yes.
My father and mother always support. My mother always say, I am very happy because I prefer you are so far from me, but good life and happy to then stay with me. For mother, always is hard, separate, of course, and especially for a grandson, too far. Like this year, we can't travel to Spain. My mother is sick and miss me a lot. But every day he told me I'm very happy. Yes, I'm really happy because you have created something very, very wonderful. Marco and me think is a price you need to pay. You get what you want is a job and a wonderful life here in Taiwan, but is a price you need separate from your family, and your kids will grow up separate from the grandma, grandpa.
People say Taiwan is cold. In winter, people tell me, "Oh, 三一今天很热." I say the number of the temperature is 9度、4度，这个不是很热，不是很热。People, what is zero? What is cold is relative. Yes. So I don't worry too much about future and don't think too much about the past. This is one of sentence I learned from Buddhism. This time is the best one. 我是 Marco， 我们喜欢做生意，我们爱台湾。
空雅哦，客家电视台哦，8点半哦，录影，我们2个新住民很可以猜。
洗手。
哎，坏掉了。哦，你坏掉了哦。
我今年10月生，我今年11岁。
Nico，
嗯，
今年
10月生。
11岁。